Hello, I'm Dani. Welcome to the workshop. If you want to learn something new about SolidWorks or tips and tricks about it or learn it at all, you're in the right place. Let's see what I have prepared for you today. SolidWorks Surface Sample Exam Question 4. In this question, you should use the surface which you have already created in the previous question. First, you will see some images which are related to question 4. Then you will see the question itself. You should complete the solid. The material that you have to use is ABS, and the way you should complete it is by mirroring the existing surfaces and complete the steps to create the solid of the completed part. Then you have to apply the material ABS to the solid and measure the mass of our ready object. So first we will pick the front plane, use the mirror feature, check that you use bodies to mirror, select your surface and then click OK. After we are ready with this step, I will hide the sketch picture. You have to knit the two surfaces together and merge entities. Next, we have to fill the front and the bottom and to create a solid out of this. To fill any of these faces, we will need additional line here. You can do this with 3D Sketch and just draw a line which is coincident to the 2 points. Then you can use Fill Surface with picking all the contours in the front and check the option Merge Result. Then we have to fill the bottom surface too. Pick all the edges that you have. And in this case, you will click not only the Merge Result, but also Create a Solid. And then we hit OK. Once we are ready with this solid, you can see here that we have one solid body. We have to apply the material. We go to Edit Material, Plastics, and then we have ABS. Check the density if it's the same and hit Apply. Once our material is applied, we go to Evaluate and Mass Properties to check the mass of our model. Our model is 176 grams. Now we go to check the correct answer. It's not 100% the same, but it's within the tolerance, so our answer is correct. That's all for today. If you enjoyed the video, show it to me with a like. Don't forget to subscribe for the channel if you want to see more such content, and if you have some questions, ask them in the comment section below the video. I hope I will see you next time. Bye!